the day where we got our constitution. Okay? So I request Sir here, Sir Alexander and Sir Manoj to say few words on this occasion.
Respected Reverend Sister Anisa Abhay, Principal of our school. Respected Reverend Sister Anupam Topo. Respected all my teachers and my dear students. Today is a great day. Today, 26th November, it is very important day for us. On this day, our constitution was completed. On this 26th November of 1949, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar finished, or we can say completed, his drafting. And here he made and left us the constitution. Constitution means the principles and laws that humanly gives us the opportunity, gives us all type of right that in God.
On helping us to remember what our great leaders have done, and especially today as we remember the Constitution Day, 26th November 1949 it was adopted. Okay, so again on this Constitution, what are our rights, especially as a student? I invite now Sir to tell us a few things about this.
First of all, as a student, you should understand the constitutional values. You should know it properly, and you will be able to know the rights, what you are enjoying as a student today, and you will be also able to help the society. As a student, your duty towards the nation is to be a good citizen, to know about the rights, fundamental rights, duties, to treat each one of you or others equally without discriminating based on religion, caste, creed, treating each one equally, as well as helping the society to build or to grow according to the Constitution, the law which has been laid. It is also your duty to study, to know more about the Constitution. That will help you to do your duties towards the nation.
In a short way, Sir has enabled us to understand our duties and rights as a student. Especially when we are in the school, we have to respect and love one another. We cannot discriminate because of caste and religion. This is one of our duties. Okay? So all together, let us recite our Indian Constitution, that is our preamble, and pledge ourselves today as to celebrate this Constitution Day. So I now request Jessica to read, and all of you repeat after her. This is the preamble. Okay?
Please repeat after me. We the people of India.
We the people of India.
Having solemnly resolved.
Having solemnly resolved.
To constitute India.
To constitute India.
into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation in a constituent assembly. This 26th day of November 1949 do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Remember what is these constitutions, and whenever you have time, surely in your history there will be. Okay? So learn more. Later on we can have some more competitions on this. Alright? Okay.